Hello, and welcome back to the Pocket English Podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom.
We are so happy you are here with us today. This is the place where you can improve your listening and speaking skills just by pressing play. You can listen while you wash the dishes, while you drive to work, or while you relax with a cup of coffee.
Today we are going to talk about a very specific feeling. Sarah, do you know the scariest sound in a new language?
The scariest sound? Is it a difficult grammar word, like the present perfect continuous tense?
No, it is not a word. The scariest sound is silence. It is that awkward moment when you stop talking and the other person stops talking, and you both just look at each other.
Oh, I know that feeling. It is terrible. You feel like you failed. You feel like the conversation is dead.
Exactly. Today we are going to fix that. We are going to teach you a simple method to make sure you never run out of things to say. We call it the Ping Pong Method.
I love that name. Ping pong. Like the sport?
Exactly like the sport. Think about a game of ping pong or table tennis. To play the game, you need two people. If I hit the ball to you, Sarah, what do you have to do?
I have to hit it back to you.
Right. But imagine if I hit the ball to you and you catch it. You hold the ball in your hand. You put it in your pocket. Then you smile at me. What happens to the game?
The game stops. It is over.
Exactly. This is what many English learners do in conversation. Someone asks them a question and they catch the ball. They give an answer, but they do not hit the ball back. So today, we will learn how to keep the ball moving.
This is such a useful skill. Before we start, if you want to keep improving your English every week, please take a second to click the subscribe button. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Okay, Sarah, let's look at the first problem. Why do conversations die? Usually, it is because of the one-word answer.
The one-word answer? Can you show us an example?
Sure, ask me a question.
Okay. Tom, do you like coffee?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Do you drink it often?
No.
Right. Well, nice talking to you.
See, that was painful, right?
It was very awkward. I felt like I was annoying you. When you just said yes or no, I felt like you wanted me to go away.
Exactly. When you give a short answer, you catch the ball and stop the game. So the first rule of the ping pong method is simple. Step 1 is don't drop the ball. Or you can call it the +1 rule.
The +1 rule? What does that mean?
It means you never give a short answer alone. You must always give your answer +1 detail, just one small piece of extra information.
Okay, let's try the coffee example again. I'll ask you, and you use the +1 rule. Tom, do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it. I drink a cup every morning.
Wow, that is so much better. You said yes, which is the answer, and then you added the detail, I drink a cup every morning.
It sounds much friendlier, doesn't it? It gives you information about my life.
Let's practice this a bit more. Listeners, listen to the difference. If I ask, where are you from? Don't just say Spain. Say, I am from Spain. I live in Madrid.
If I ask, do you have any siblings? Don't just say 2. Say, I have 2 brothers. They are both older than me.
That extra sentence makes a huge difference. It invites the other person into your world.
Let's try one more, Sarah. Imagine I ask you, how was your weekend? Give me a bad answer first.
Good.
Okay, now give me a +1 answer.
It was good. I went to the park with my dog.
Perfect. Now I know something about you. I know you have a dog. I know you like parks. This gives me ideas for more questions.
So step 1 is answer plus detail, never just the answer.
Correct. But Sarah, even if you give a detail, the conversation can still stop.
That is true. If I say, I went to the park with my dog, and then I stop talking, there might still be silence.
Right, because you are still holding the ball. You showed me the ball, but you didn't hit it back to me. This brings us to step 2 of the ping pong method. Hit it back.
How do we hit it back?
The easiest way is to ask a simple boomerang question. Do you know what a boomerang is?
Yes, it is that curved stick from Australia. You throw it, and it comes back to you.
Exactly. In conversation, a boomerang question is when you answer and then you throw the same question back to the other person. The most famous example is, and you?
And you? That is so simple.
It is simple, but it is powerful. It saves the conversation. Let's try our coffee example again. Ask me, Sarah.
Tom, do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it. I drink a cup every morning. And you?
Oh, I actually prefer tea. I don't really like the taste of coffee.
See what happened? The ball came back to you. You had to speak. The game continued.
It feels so natural. I didn't even think about it. I just answered because you asked me.
Exactly. There are two main phrases you can use here. You can say, and you, or you can say, how about you?
Is there a difference?
Not really. They are both perfect for beginners. How about you is a little bit more casual, a little softer, but and you is perfectly fine.
Okay, so let's put step 1 and step 2 together. Step 1, answer plus detail. Step 2, ask and you.
Let's try a simulation with our listeners. Listeners, imagine I am meeting you for the first time. I will ask you a question. I want you to answer out loud. Say your answer, give one detail, and then ask me and you.
Ready? Here's the question. Do you like to travel? Did you do it? Did you say something like, yes, I love traveling. I want to go to Japan. And you?
If you did, congratulations, you are playing ping pong.
But Tom, sometimes we cannot just say, and you. Sometimes it doesn't make sense.
That is true. If the answer is very specific or if the topic changes, sometimes we need a better return shot. This is step 3, the what spin.
The what spin? This sounds advanced.
It is a little bit more advanced, but it makes you sound very fluent. Sometimes, instead of throwing the same question back, you need to ask a new question related to the topic. Usually, these questions start with what words: who, what, where, why, when.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine you ask me about my job.
Okay. Tom, do you like your job?
It's okay, but I am very tired this week.
Okay, stop there. If I say, and you, it sounds a little strange because you just said you are tired. So I should ask about that. I should ask, oh, why are you tired?
Exactly. You listened to my detail. My detail was, I am tired. So you used a what question to explore that detail. Why are you tired?
Let's try another one. Imagine we are talking about the weekend.
Okay, Sarah, what are you doing this weekend?
I am going to the cinema.
Now, I could say, and you, but it is better if I show interest in your answer. You said cinema, so I can ask, oh, what are you going to watch?
That is a great question. It shows you are listening. It makes me feel special.
It keeps the rally going. We are hitting the ball back and forth very fast now.
So step 3 is to listen to the detail and ask a question about that detail.
Yes, if someone says, I have a dog, you ask, what is his name?
If someone says, I went to Paris last year, you ask, did you like it or what did you eat?
Exactly. This is the secret to being a good conversationalist. You don't need to be interesting yourself. You just need to be interested in the other person.
That is such good advice. You don't need to be interesting. You just need to be interested. If you keep asking questions, people will think you are a fantastic person to talk to.
Shall we do a big practice? Let's try to put all 3 steps together in a real conversation.
Okay, I will be Sarah, you will be Tom, but let's pretend we are strangers at a party.
Okay, listeners, pay attention to the pattern. Notice how every time one of us speaks, we give an answer, a detail, and then we hit the ball back.
Hi, I don't think we have met. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Tom. I work with John. How do you know the host?
Oh, I am John's cousin. We grew up together. Do you work in the marketing department too?
No, I am actually in sales. I travel a lot for work. Do you live here in the city?
Yes, I live downtown. It is noisy, but I like being close to the shops. And you? Do you live close by?
Not really. I live out in the suburbs. It is much quieter there. Do you like living downtown?
I love it, mostly because of the restaurants. I love food. What about you? Do you like to cook?
I am terrible at cooking. I usually just order pizza. What is your favorite restaurant in the city?
Okay, let's pause there.
Wow, that was a long rally. We went back and forth, back and forth.
Did you notice? We never had silence. Every time I stopped speaking, I asked you a question. Every time you stopped speaking, you asked me a question.
And notice something else. We didn't use difficult words. We used simple words. Downtown, suburbs, food, pizza, work. But the conversation flowed perfectly.
It felt very comfortable. I didn't feel stressed.
That is the power of the ping pong method. It takes the pressure off you. You don't have to worry about what to say next. You just follow the rule. Answer, detail, question.
So let's review the 3 steps one more time for everyone.
Step 1, the +1 rule. Never give a one-word answer. Always add one detail.
Step 2, the boomerang. Use and you or how about you to return the ball quickly.
Step 3, the wha spin. Listen to the detail and ask a specific question about it using who, what, where, when, or why.
Tom, I have a challenge for our listeners.
I love challenges. What should they do?
I want you to try the ping pong method for the next 24 hours.
Okay, in English?
If you can, yes. But you can even practice this in your own language. It works in every language. The next time someone asks you, how are you? Don't just say fine.
Right. Say, I'm fine. I'm just a little hungry. And you?
Exactly. Or if someone texts you, if your friend texts you and asks, what are you doing? Don't just text back watching TV.
Text back, I am watching a movie on Netflix. It is really funny. What are you up to?
See how different that feels? It changes the energy.
It really does. If you try this for one day, you will be amazed. You will have longer conversations, you will learn more about your friends, and you will feel more confident.
And if you want to practice right now, let's play ping pong in the comment section.
That is a great idea. We will serve the ball to you.
Here is the question. What is your favorite time of day?
So go to the comments, write your answer, add one detail about why you like it, and then ask us a question back.
For example, I like the morning because it is quiet and I can drink my coffee. What is your favorite time, Tom?
I prefer the evening because I can relax after work. So listeners, it is your turn. Hit the ball back to us in the comments. We read every single one.
Thank you so much for listening to Pocket English today. We hope this little tool helps you feel big confidence.
Remember, conversation is just a game. Don't hold the ball, hit it back.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.